I don't know why it's keep on falling out of the car. Oh. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I finally got a new Lamborghini in my collection. You've probably seen this Lamborghini on the shelf like right here. So yeah guys, it's a new green Lamborghini. I added to my like model like car. To have like scale car, you know. So here are all my cars, you know. We got like Volkswagen, like Ladas, you know, we got BMW, we got Hummers, you know. We got like Ford GTs, BMWs, Toyota Supra, Skyline, Bugatti. You know, we got Corvette too. But yeah, guys, I really want to have a Nissan like GTR in my collection. Right now, I have a Skyline in my collection. So I really want to get the Nissan GTR. If you've seen my Toys R Us video, there's a Nissan like GTR there. So I'm going to buy that one for this collection. You know, it's still growing this collection. You know, so like maybe I might have a lot more cars in the future. You know, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I got a bunch of pretty cool cars here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys all my cars. Take a look. Here's the Lamborghini. Lamborghini looks pretty nice, you know. The doors open like this. They don't open like upwards like this one, you know. You know, they don't open like upwards or something. So yeah, but then after, I think this one, that's like all of it. That's what it can do. Oh, I don't know. That's the only thing it can do. It can only open the door. So, but this Lamborghini is pretty cool. It is a Lamborghini Hurricane. It's a green Lamborghini Hurricane we have here. It's pretty cool. Look at that design. You know, it's got 4 mufflers on the back, big engine. It's got a nice windshield, but the front windshield's cracked. But the reason why, guys, because I got this from a garage sale. You know, but not really in good condition, but it is very good, very nice car. It's only this, that's a problem. But honestly, I really love this car, and I got this car. They're kind of the same too, so yeah. Got my Lamborghini. You know, we got 2 Lamborghinis now. We got this orange Lamborghini right here. Pretty cool. It's an old one. And yeah, I think that's all the Lamborghinis I have in my collection. That's all. I think, no, like I have this one right here. And yeah, that's all the Lamborghinis that I have in my collection, like here for the model cars. Yeah, so I even got Bugatti, the red Bugatti, you know. I have it here. We also got Hummers, 2 Hammers, you know. We've also got the Lada. This is the Russian car. If you guys remember the video, I got this from my Russian uncle in my mom's country. So yeah, we got 1 Mercedes, you know. We got like 2 Audis. You know, this one opens the back. You know, this one has the door open. We have 1 Maserati in our collection, which can open the trunk, which is really cool. And look, it can open the doors too. Oh my. Oh, yeah, guys. I don't know why it's keep on falling out of the car. Oh my god. That scared that scared me so much. My heart is running. Oh my god. Like, actually, my heart is beating. Yeah, I actually forgot that this car made noise, but I wish this car didn't really make noise because it really scares me. And I've been trying to figure out where this one goes for a while. Again, so we got these like door pieces. They keep on falling off because like, be quiet. Whatever. Okay, but still, this Maserati is really cool. It's pretty big. It can also open the front, and you can see the Maserati engine. Pretty detailed car. Can open the doors, obviously. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, we got 1. I'm sorry. We got 1 Nissan. Yeah. We got the Ford GT, yellow Ford GT. You can open the doors like this. After, we got this other Ford GT. It's a white one. It's got a blue stripe down it. You can open the doors like this. It's pretty cool. Ford GT. We also got this old Ford, which I think I haven't made a video of, but it has a little tailgate. And it's also got this cool little windshield here. It can also open the door, but I don't know how to open the door, you know. But it's also got the engine. You can open up the engine. That's pretty cool. We got still the 2 door pieces. After we got one of these BMWs. It's pretty cool. So what happened is that one time some of my cousins came over one time, and what happened is that they came in my room. There's a lot of kids, and what happens is that one kid, he literally broke this tire, so we had to glue it back on. So it's okay, but the car, it still moves. But yes, the car is okay, but honestly, this car looks pretty cool. You know, I really like it. You know, the doors, how they open. I really like how the doors open. Can't open the door. Gotta pop it back in. We got one BMW. Got this cool Volkswagen I got at a carnival, you know. And we also got 2 Volkswagen Beetles, one regular, one sport. We got one BMW. We actually have 2 BMWs. We got this one too. I got it at a garage sale. Put it right there. We got one Corvette, you know. The engine pops out. You know, we got the cool engine. You can also pop open the, you know, this. You can also open the doors. We also got one Ferrari. We got one Ferrari, you know. This one makes noise if you open the door. No, I mean if you press it, it'll make noise. So we've also got this Ferrari here, and we got the key for it too. Then after we finally got the Toyota Supra. It looks pretty cool. I got a garage sale too. Pretty good deal. Look at that Supra. It's beautiful. But yeah, guys, this is my whole entire collection of my model cars because I wanted to make this video because I got this special green car in my collection now. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like. Oh wait, never mind. Hold on. We got this car too. We got this cool Volkswagen. It has a tire in there. Opens both doors. You know, it looks pretty old. I got it at a garage sale too. But yeah, let's put that right here with the Volkswagens. But yeah, guys, now this is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you better smash the like button, like how I smashed my table. But yeah, guys, oh. I need to fix that, okay? Don't worry. So yeah, guys, end the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to go check out my game channels, Amir Gaming 101. If you haven't heard about it, it's my gaming channel where I play Roblox, you know, mostly just have fun, you know. It's just a little side channel I have just for fun, okay? But yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye-bye. You better not make noise when I open you, buddy.